see it underneath.
Yeah. Snowballs. All right.
Computer will be calling it.
All right, let's look at these, Stevie. What are we doing today, Stevie? This says bent. Why is that bent?
Because if the
This is a surface table, so this is super flat.
it's as flat as you can get.
This came out of an old Boeing aircraft plant. So we've got, this one didn't line up so well. Let me see, put that
Here,
thing.
hold it there.
Hold it, okay, so, yeah, okay. So that's got a lead. Let me get up there close. I guess if we can get up there
Push.
close. Let's see if I get it. Anyway, so how about this top plate?
This is broke
Okay, so
right here.
so these things will break and give you really. Let's see here. Hold it steady there. Yeah. All right. So
It won't steer.
no, it'll steer, but
Yeah,
it won't.
not great.
It'll bounce back and forth and
Yeah,
give you weird.
Steering.
So probably from now on, what we're gonna do is maybe before they go to powder coater, we'll heliarc those up and.
I
put some
was
extra meat.
tightening this one down and I heard a loud crack.
Okay. All right. So this one shouldn't have gone to powder coater, but I don't know. We've let it slip through, I guess. Sometimes we're in a hurry and we throw stuff. You know, let's go see what's Bobby's. Let's go see what's going on with Bobby's bikes. All right. So this front end, Stevie, show how this thing's supposed to slide together when everything's right.
Well, it's all tight now, but these floor tubes should go up to the tops.
Yeah.
Or at least to
Get pretty
about
close, yeah,
to about
sometimes-
there, and then it'll draw it up when you put the top cap on.
So they gotta line up. So if it's not lining up, something's wrong. Okay.
So this lower, you couldn't get the tube in on both sides when we were trying to put that
Yeah.
lower in. It wouldn't go in.
Yep. Okay.
So well, it was like cocked, pointed.
Well, I guess I sent about 4 of those lowers in the powder coat, and I probably didn't pay attention to it, but whatever. We probably should have checked it. Should have checked it before. Whatever. We caught it now. But all right. So this is Bobby's 74 that Stevie's building up. So Bobby, look at, you got your new ID tag on there. Stevie's got the steering locks in. Let's look at, it's got your motor number there.
Swing arms next.
Swing arms next. You're gonna work on that today.
Yeah, both of them I'll hopefully get done.
And this one's already on the table. This is Bobby's Ambassador.
When you put that camera down, this other one's going on the table.
All right, so I guess I got to do some work, huh?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. There's Bobby's Ambassador. So this mainly we're doing this for Bobby. So we're gonna see. That's got to get going. Okay, so and Bobby's thinking about putting numbers back on. This is an original fender I pulled off of Ambassador Police Bike probably 35 years ago. So LAPD, some of the police departments used to mark the bikes, the vehicle number, I guess they would call it. Same thing when they had squad car numbers. So they would put these kind of gold, black outline decals on the back of the fender. So I've saved this one for samples. So I think Bobby wants to try to do something like that. We'll see. We're working on that right now. I guess we'll see. What else we got to talk about on these, Stevie?
The boom bike, didn't you show a little bit of that?
All right, well, maybe go out there. Let's go see what Lindy Lou's doing and see if we can get her. She's probably having coffee right now. What's she doing right now? Would you get something to eat?
Yeah,
food.
3 burritos, all for me.
Well,
My
that's like
breakfast.
very unusual that you would
Yeah.
just already have your breakfast and have a burrito ready
Yeah,
to
the
go.
burrito guy knows me. He makes special stops for me. So I'm his big baller for the day.
Well, yeah, you're like the
spender.
big. He's probably
Yeah.
made his whole day's thing on you.
Those are leftover burritos from yesterday.
Yeah. Let's go look at Brian's bike. So this thing,
I don't know, did it have side covers on it when we were?
I don't think the last time. So now this thing, Brian came in last week and rode it. I don't think the side covers were done. I think Lindsay got those finished up. So this thing's, you guys have seen a lot of videos with this. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint work. Lindy Lou did a nice job on that. I don't really like giving her credit, but she did a nice job. And then fenders, Stevie's got the motor. Motors right now, we got 88 miles on it. We got our aluminum risers on it. Those are beautiful. So Stevie did a great job polishing all this stuff up. It looks really nice. So we got a plate. The big thing is we got this thing, current registration, California, so we got our California plates. And so yeah, making it all legal. It's been in idle for, I don't know, 20, 30 years, 40 years, whatever it's been in storage for. All right, this thing's almost done. I wanted to point out we don't have the police crash bar on it yet. That's coming in probably this week. Next week, whatever, we'll get that on. We've got good used header pipes on right now. This, we're gonna put about 300 miles on this bike, and then we will put fresh re-chromed header pipes on it and get that going. And so it looks nice and pretty. So we'll do probably a big video when this thing is done. We matched the starter color to the frame, and also got a gray generator cover. That looks nice and sweet. So what else do we got to talk about on this bike? But it's basically, it's done. It's ready to go. So just got to put miles on it. Put another 200 miles on it or so, and we're ready to go. So anyways, that's where we're at. What else we got to talk about? I think that's it. Oh, I think the nurse even pointed out how nice we got the floorboards matching the frame, so that's all kind of gray. Keep it all nice and gray. This is a battleship gray. The blue is a medium blue metallic.
There's snowballs.
Oh, there's Snowball. Snowball's coming to check it out too.
Snowballs.
Good old Snowballs. So anyways, these are all silk screened on. Let's see if we can get a decent picture of that with the light. Yeah. So there we go. All right, so this is a typical morning at, what's that? You got Snowball? Oh, we're gonna play with Snowball? We got Cat in a Box. There's Cat in a Box. All right, guys. Anyways, thank you guys for checking out the video. And there's our daily thing here. Let's see if we catch Lindsay over here eating something. This goes on all day. I'm not sure she gets any work done, but this does go on all day.
Listen, if a man in a white windowless van comes up and offers me burritos, like, of course
You're
I'm
done.
gonna say
You're
yes.
done for.
Yeah, he had me have burritos.
Dang, just a dirty white van. You would just hop right in that free burritos.
I mean, wouldn't anyone?
You would.
I would for sure. You know what? I don't know if I like your tone. I wasn't gonna give you one for breakfast.
Oh, I guess you were gonna give me one for breakfast. I guess I'll be nicer to you then.
Too late. I already ate both of them. This is the third one.
Dang. All right, guys. That's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Go on.
I said bye, but I'm eating. Get out of here.
No.